Hi. I hate starting with hi.
All right. Hello, viewers. We're here to bring you another project on our mini farm. And this project is going to be to frame out our blueberry bushes. We also have, what are you doing? We have black
I'll
raspberries.
take 6. I can't. Wait a minute.
Can you stop?
Yes. It's a little.
All right. Can I start now?
Hi, viewers.
Welcome to This Was My Idea. And this was my idea.
No, it wasn't.
Anyway.
It was my idea.
You can, hence the title to the channel. So what we are doing today is we are building a box to frame out our blueberries. The deer and the wild birds have taken all of our blueberries in the past, and we're trying to give them some amount of protection. It will never protect them from foraging bears, but we're going to do the best we can with the deers and the birds. So we're going to frame those out. We're going to put on a little bit of a gate, and hopefully we will have some late summer blueberries and the deer will have less. So what you're seeing right now is us laying out the ground footings for how the box will lay around the blueberries as they exist now.
Since we have the frame of where we want it laid out, we're taking out the daffodils and some of the wild black raspberries and everything that are within the box area to replant. So we're starting on the corners, a 4x4 pressure treated, and a 2x6, but this is 12 feet and this is going to be 10 feet. So
20 feet in
20
length.
feet in length, but we have 2 10-foots. We're going to join it in the middle. And a gate will go right here. We made gates previously that we're going to have to frame up and put it here. But for right now, we have our end pieces up. So that's a good start.
Yep, and just to be clear, it's a box to keep out the deer and the birds. This is not meant to be perfectly level.
And
it's not a piece of art. And it's definitely not going to the ground.
Yes.
We are very lucky. This is a semi-level piece of ground.
So we're just resting it on top of the ground surface right now. We can move it little by little, but what we're trying to do is this side we're going to put some flowers so they come in the spring and help with the bees. The back half is actually wild black raspberries. So we pulled some up, and once this is built, we'll replant them on the back side, but they won't be inside the blueberry bush area.
Okay, so we will time lapse some of this as we go, and you will soon see the finished product, or at least partway finished. Because it's
We are installing the door we had previously made a few years ago at our other house for another project for the chickens. So we're reusing it. Yay!
We're using electric tie-down staples that we can pound in. They seem to hold much better than the handgun staples.
Hi, we are taking you on our journey to make a blueberry box. Our blueberries right now, we have 8 plants, and some of them are very immature and some of them are wild that we found in the woods. We're framing them out to keep the deer away and the birds. We do have a lot of deer and they've already ate some of our baby plants, one of them being our fig trees, which we'll be fencing those out soon too. So welcome to our journey. No, here's to our next project.